Tracy law firm in Dallas, Texas, and today I'm in one of our crash labs here in Dallas. And I want to talk to you about the importance of why we have the crash lab. Whenever you take on the vehicle industry, you have to have a facility large enough to store the vehicles in all of the cases that you're handling. But most importantly, whenever you're taking on the vehicle industry, you have to have the expertise to conduct vehicle autopsies. What is a vehicle autopsy? I want you to imagine the vehicle is laying out on a slab and you have to analyze every aspect, every inch of that vehicle so that you can conduct an engineering analysis, a biomechanical analysis, and an analysis that's based upon principles of physics. When we do a vehicle autopsy, we literally look at every aspect of the safety system so we can determine, did that vehicle perform as it was supposed to in the event that you were involved in an accident? And a lot of times, vehicle safety systems do not perform properly. But to determine that, you have to do a vehicle autopsy. So what we do is we bring the vehicles in no matter where the case is. We at this time, we're in 42 different states. I've handled cases as far as Puerto Rico and the U.S. Virgin Islands. But we bring the vehicles into our crash lab and we literally make a 4D digital model of it. Now, why do we have to go to that kind of technological expense? Well, we want to understand every phase, every millisecond of the accident. We then bring in world-renowned experts that are professors, are former vehicle manufacturers that have worked with some of the largest vehicle manufacturers in the world, including McLaren, General Motors, Chrysler, and Ford. And when we bring them in, we ask them, we want you to do a risk versus utility analysis. What are the risk, hazards, and danger to our clients versus what are the safety benefits that these safety systems provide? And when we do that risk versus utility analysis, we have to evaluate every potential accident scenario that a vehicle can undergo. That's why a lot of times when we have to get in these cases, we have to do crash testing and sled testing and static testing of vehicles because the vehicle industry doesn't always do them. For example, in a roof structure case, we a lot of times will have to do pendulum testing where we actually bring a pendulum into the roof. And we do that because the vehicle manufacturers don't do that. Whenever you're fighting the vehicle industry, you have to be willing to put your money where your mouth is. And here at the Tracy law firm and our vehicle crash lab, that's exactly what we do. And we would love to have the opportunity to represent you or your family member, because this is what we do day in and day out, is fight the vehicle industry for the little guy.